Hi, today I want to speak about my family and myself. My presentation. My name is Aira Ocampo. I am 20 years old. I am from Cartago, Colombia. I live with my aunt in Palmira. I am a studying industrial engineer. I am administrative assistant. My hobby is listen to music. My favorite series is 13 Reasons. And my favorite sport is soccer. This is my family. My mother is Fanny Rojas. She is 58 years old. She is a dressmaker. She is short. My mother is very pretty. Her eyes are light brown. She has black hair and she's wearing a black blouse, violet pants, and white flip-flops. My father is Marcos Ocampo. He is 58 years old. He is a farmer. My father is very nice. His eyes are black. He has black hair and he's wearing a black shirt, gray pants, and black shoes. My aunt is Juliana Alzate. She is 39 years old. She is a director. Um, my aunt is very fun. um, she has black hair. Her eyes are brown. Her favorite color is blue. My boyfriend. My boyfriend is Jason Rodriguez. He is 21 years old. He is a driver. He is tall. My boyfriend is very affection. His eyes are brown. He has black hair. He's wearing a white shirt and blue jeans. Thank you. Bye.